In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Google Drive, a vital tool for storing, sharing, and managing your documents online. Not only will this enhance your productivity, but it will also bring a new level of convenience to your digital workflow. Let's begin with accessing Google Drive. Start by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering w.drive.google.com into the address bar. This website acts as your gateway to the storage, editing, and sharing options that Google Drive offers. Once you're on the Google Drive landing page, you'll need to sign in. If you already have a Google account, you can use those credentials to access Drive. If you don't, simply click on Create Account and follow the instructions to set up a new account, which comes with 15 GB of free storage. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is essentially your Google Drive home base. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with a few key options: My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, Starred, and Trash. My Drive is where all your uploaded documents will reside. Any file or folder you create or upload will appear here. To upload a file, click on the New button, which you can find in the upper left corner. Here, you'll see options to create new documents or to upload files and folders. To better organize your files, consider creating folders. Simply click on the New button again and choose Folder. Give your folder a name, and you can start dragging and dropping files into this virtual container to keep things neat and organized. This is especially handy if you plan to store a large number of documents and want quick access to specific ones. Sharing is another powerful feature of Google Drive. To share a file or folder with someone, right-click on it and select Share. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to enter the email addresses of those you'd like to share with. You can also adjust their permission setting, choosing between View Only, Comment, or Edit Access, depending on what you want the recipients to do. Another thing that makes Google Drive indispensable is its integration with Google's suite of Office tools, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Suppose you need to collaborate on a document. In that case, you can start by clicking the New button, selecting Google Docs, and inviting others to join you. You can see others' edits and comments in real time, encouraging seamless collaboration. To maximize your use of Google Drive, don't forget to explore the Settings menu in the upper right corner. Here, you can adjust notification settings, enable offline mode, and explore add-ons that might benefit your specific use cases. With these simple steps, you can turn Google Drive into a powerful asset for both personal and professional